Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're cooking here. We're making this. It's seasoned, I guess. Did you put in the oil?
I think I put both in.
You did?
I think.
Okay, well, let's mush it up. I think we're gonna have to put more seasoning on.
Next step. Yeah. All right. Salt. Smoked paprika. Okay. So tapioca starch, my mom. Should
We put it in here.
Yeah, I guess that works.
So,
This is approximately one.
uno.
Oh, it's sticking.
I think that
We can just eyeball it and
pour
say
the
it's-
rest,
yeah.
I think.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be good.
Oh.
I mean, I'm assuming that's like 2, 3.
It looks really good. Perfect.
Do you want to do this or should
Oh,
I?
I can do the black pepper.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yay!
Ooh, it smells like smoked paprika.
Oh, it actually does kind of smell good.
I don't know. Okay, so yeah.
Cool.
I feel like this is gonna turn out. Like, not sarcastically. I really do. I feel like food
wait, I need
is
them.
more like lenient than baking.
Yeah, it's more just like how you flavor it, you know? Oh, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. You're probably waiting for the 4th tablespoon.
Of sage? Do
Yeah.
all these go in here?
I think so. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa,
Okay,
it's
I'm gonna
like
do 1/8.
cool. It's kind of like catnip. Loves Mr. Gross
Yeah.
jokes.
Should we pinch or should we?
Yeah, you can pinch. I think that's spicy.
Oh.
I don't know if smelling it's gonna tell you if it's spicy or not.
Do you want to try some?
No, thank you.
I'll just do a small pinch.
Yeah.
That wasn't.
There we go. Okay. So after that, and then cloves. I'm not
my bad.
sure.
Oh wait, did I put those in? I think so.
Oh, you did? Okay. Well, then we're good. And then after that, it doesn't say, it says use a fork and combine. Don't you think this is kind of a big, like, bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to combine it or should I?
You can, because I mixed that, so you
Okay,
get to
okay.
mix this. I'll read what's next. Moisten your hands. You know, people don't like that word.
It is kind of weird when people make it weird, you know? Like,
Yeah.
it is, things aren't weird until people
Yeah, I
make
think
them
you should have
weird.
used, like, a different bowl, but, you know. Okay.
I definitely think the
Your
chili powder was
hands,
a
but I'll just start this off.
Okay.
I feel like I did not stir this good enough.
That's okay.
Such a weird noise. I know. And it's like wet in the bottom. Oh, it's because
my
we had
God.
oil in it.
Oh, I might have put in too much oil.
I think it's fine. This might be like our first successful thing.
Ah!
Like, that's not dessert.
True. Alright.
Whoa, this actually works. It doesn't stick to your hands. And then I think it says roll it in this.
Alright, I'll take the fork out.
Sorry.
Wow, slimy chicken.
Okay, it said roll in this. I'm trying not to like use it all.
Oh, we
Yeah.
can probably make more, I think.
No,
maybe.
we don't have any more flour, remember?
If you want to switch, it's okay. I wouldn't want to touch meat that much either.
Well, if I'm never gonna be a chef, I better get used to it.
Well, that was
I'm kidding. I
inspiring.
probably won't be a chef, but like,
I think we could go on like I don't know, what's a like team cooking show?
I have no clue.
Remember like those cupcake?
I know that
things?
like a lot of people who like are good at cooking, you know how like cooking shows, like one, you know how they have challenges?
Oh yeah.
One of them is to like work with another person.
Oh, right.
And people like always fail at that because people can't work together.
Capstone would help.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah. I'm sorry that you had to do the work.
Oh no, it's fine.
Heat these.
Maybe we should have like read through the instructions before we started.
You know, that's okay. Curveballs are fun.
Oh my gosh, I was going through my computer and I got my Space Unicorns one.
Space
Unicorns flying through the sky, delivering rainbows. So is it on? Is
it medium heat?
Yeah, and we need a tablespoon.
Ah.
Sorry. Where?
Oh,
yeah. Should we like
can wash it a little bit?
all around the world?
I'm pretty sure this isn't how you actually wash things, but
Oh my gosh, it stayed. I don't know what's happening.
all right.
Here, I'll look and see if it's you. Oh, it's you with your head chopped off. Great. And here's everything.
Yes.
And that's her. Okay. Oh, we just like put them in here, right? You
Yeah.
literally just covered. Yeah, this is what we're making.
This is what's
I
up.
feel like we never.
Should we clink it?
Sure.
Please.
Cheers. Not bad.
Yeah.
They don't taste like anything.
We can make a
Stuff.
yum. Nice.
And then I can do the next one if you want.
Really? Okay. Should we?
This really looks like fancy.
You got this. No pressure. I did this monster, so I'm gonna do it. You want me to try? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I am going to start over. It was supposed to be a swirl, but clearly that didn't work. How are people so skilled at this? This must be why people go to culinary school. I like it. How about we just like a smiley here? I'm trying to get like all of it because it's all. Oh, I definitely missed that. I don't know. Yeah. This one is like the least amount of green stuff, but it's okay. Yeah. My dad will go on that one because he doesn't like green stuff. Health life, am I right? Pow, pow. Pow, pow. And then which one should I use? Ooh. This one? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we got this. That's actually so good because we cut one open and it's like perfect amount. And then we also have to put the fries on it. Not period. Okay. Here. Okay.
That's good.
By the way, I'm gonna try to do a montage.
Yeah.